I think we got a really nice location. Thanks to everyone that submitted the paper. Thanks to the reviewers, the program committee, and to everyone that was involved in the organization, in particular to Joseph Tassarotti. I think we have an awesome program. So we're gonna run from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. We have totally 18 talks over 5 sessions, and we cover applications of Dafny in industry, academia. We talk about testing, comparison with other tools, proof at scale, probabilistic programming, and code generation. Before we begin, let me just make a few organizational remarks. So talks are going to be 15 minutes plus 3 minutes for questions. If you have a question, you're just going to queue up for the microphone here. And yeah, if you're a presenter, please introduce yourself before the session, just a few minutes before that. Finally, toilets are on the right, I think, for men, and on the left for women. And after the workshop, we were thinking to hit maybe a local pub, so everyone is welcome to join. Finally, there have been a few points that the organizers asked me to make. So there is the point that currently COVID levels are low in London. Nonetheless, there are hand sanitizers available throughout the building that you're invited to use. Secondly, there is the Maxwell Library on the first floor that is set up as a cafe, not just throughout the breaks, but throughout the whole day. And finally, the building has a rooftop that I'm told has a really nice view. So please check it out. Unfortunately, it's closed today. Yeah. Okay, so that said, I'm just going to hand over to Rustan for a few moments, and then we're going to start with the keynote.
Good morning, everyone. I am really delighted to see so many of you here and to see such a great program for the first Dafny workshop. It is this month, it's been 16 years since the first bits of first lines of source code for Dafny came together. So it's been quite a while, and it's for most of that time the project has been active, but it's never been as active as it is today, both in terms of users and contributors. I'm delighted to see so many contributors overall, and the topics actually today are going to be quite a variety of things. I think that when Dafny started, the idea was just to have actually to begin with, just some little toy example that you could run through and test out dynamic frames. And we know that Dafny does a whole bunch more today, from testing to quantum things to really running production things at Amazon as well. So with that, one more thing. It's great to see so many, and with so many papers, and we have we're going to go, I think, longer than any workshop. And so with that, you would think we would have contributors from everywhere. But there are very few women in the room. There are many more women contributors to Dafny than the room represents. So next time around, please make sure that we have an even larger representation. So thanks, Stefan. Thanks, Joseph, for organizing, and hope you all enjoy it very much. Thanks.